Hi! In front of me is iPad 10th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, open App Store and install your new default app. I will go with browser, so I have to click on search at the bottom right corner over here. Click on the search bar, type in Chrome, and install my app. When it's ready, you can close App Store and go into Devices Settings. Now scroll down and look for your app over here. Then click on it and tap on Default App section over here, in my case Default Browser App. Now you need to set up Chrome by clicking on it. So for example, if I go to Safari app now, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!